Let's get started. So in this video, we will talk about groups within Microsoft 365. So we have already logged into our admin portal, and from left side, we can click here under group and then active groups. So we have different types of group like Microsoft 365 group, distribution group, security group, and others. We have different group, Microsoft groups, distribution group, Microsoft 365 groups, distribution group, security groups. Let's add a group. We can give it a group name, MSC1, tests, and next. We can assign owner. Let's add. Let's add this user as owner. Add. Next. Add members. We can add other user as a member. Next, we can add group email. So MSG1, and let's make this public group. We can also keep this private. So for now, I'll be leaving this as public group. We can make this public or private. Private is basically where users cannot add themselves. So they should be added by whether admin or group owners. However, in public group, it will be visible for whole organization, and within teams, they can search for the group and they can add within the group. It will be accessible for whole organization. So let's keep this public. If I want to assign any role, I can assign it from here. However, role assignment should be enabled only when group is private. So as if now I'm making this public, so this is grayed out. If you want to assign the role for the group, so for that it should be a private group. However, I'm creating a public group, so this option is grayed out. Click on next and create a group. So we have created a group, added the members, and this one is the group. Then we have distribution list where we can add users or mail contacts in distribution list, and we can send email to all the group member or all the distribution list members in one go. Then we have security groups. Security groups is basically when we need to perform any specific task. So there are certain services of Microsoft in which you need security group, which has more control. Then we have security groups, and within security group, we have a group and mail enable security group. So mail enable security group simply means that this group will have one email associated with it, and with normal group, normal security group. Then next we have security groups, which further divided into security group and mail enable security group. So security groups are basically used when we need a group for a specific task, especially to use permissions or resources. So in that case, we use security group, and this can be with mail or without mail. So without email is the regular security group, and with email it's mail enable security group. So we'll have some example while working with other services of Microsoft. In that case, we'll be using this group. So the email creation, so the group creation is easy. So we can simply click on this, perform the similar task that we have created for other group, and finish. We can fill these details next and done. Let me close this for now. We can also perform this task by performing. We can also create mail enable security group by clicking here, filling these information, the similar options that we had used. So we can add owner, we can add members, we can add settings, which is basically email. And if we want to allow external user to access this email, so in that case, we can choose settings. We can add email address, and if we want external users, if they can send email to this email address, then we simply check this box and next, and create group. So as if now I did not fill any information, so that's why I do not have this. As if now I did not fill this information, so that's why I don't see create group. We can cancel this for now. Then next we have deleted groups. By any chance, if we have created a group and we do not want that group, so we can delete that group. This will come here. This will come here, and we have 30 days. So within 30 days, if you want to restore, we can select and restore the group. However, after 30 days, it will be deleted permanently. Then next we have shared mailbox, which we will cover when we will be working within Exchange. So which will be cover which will cover when we will be working on Exchange Admin Center. So we'll cover shared mailbox. However, we can create shared mailbox from this portal as well by selecting. We can create shared mailbox from Admin Center as well by selecting group, shared mailbox, add shared mailbox. We can give it a name, email address, and save changes. So shared mailbox does not have license. shared mailbox does not have license as user mailbox. However, it's similar in nature without a license. There are certain limitations that we will be covering while working with Exchange Online. Let's go to next, which is, and we, similar to users, we can also perform group related tasks within Entra ID, within Entra portal. Similar to user accounts, similar to users, we can also perform group related tasks within Entra portal by going to entra.microsoft.com under groups, overview, all groups, we can create new group, download groups, we can delete groups. All the group related tasks that we can perform here under admin portal, we can also perform it in admin center. And let's go to Intune admin center. From here also under groups, we can perform similar tasks. So for same task, we have multiple options to perform. So we can perform it through admin portal as well as enter admin portal as well as Intune admin portal. And apart from that, using PowerShell. So that's it for this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Keep learning, keep sharing.